morning, everyone. So my name is Mahesh. Okay. So I have total 15 plus years of experience into the IT industry, and I have been giving training from past 7 years. Okay. So I have trained for more than 5,000 students across the globe, and I also a certified corporate trainer. And now we are, so basically currently the plan of action what we are discussing is Oracle. Okay, Oracle full stack, full stack reporting, reporting solution. So this is a course which we are going to help us to Oracle full stack reporting developer content. Okay, so here what in today's session, so what we are going to discuss is I am going to give a training. Okay, training on the below skill set with the placement assistant. Okay, and you can ask me after the demo session, you can ask me of any kind of questions, like everything I will be able to help you out. So the course content, what are the course content we are going to offer is the Oracle, okay, SQL queries, SQL database, Oracle SQL database queries, and next we have a data warehousing concepts. Okay, Oracle reporting solution, Oracle reporting tool. So here we are going to discuss on OBI and OAC, which is Oracle Cloud Analytics. So here right now we have a huge openings for this one, and then we are going to discuss on the Oracle data integration, data integration. Okay, so all this technology, all these courses, okay, we are dealing with four different subjects. Together we are going to provide a training solution, training and placement placement program. Okay, right. So now, so what are the things we are going to cover in this session is, so what are the things like during this training session? So what are the benefits or what are the content we are going to help you out? So the thing is, first one, we are going to help you with the software setup, in software installation process. Okay. So either you can have a server access, or we can install on your laptop with all the content. Next, so material for all the content. Okay, with respect to material with respect to running notes. Okay, running notes will help you for the interview cracking purpose. Okay, so whenever there is an important concept which they are going to ask you for the interview session, so those concepts I will be going to explain, and all the content I am going to write a step-by-step procedure. So if you follow those points, so that you can same thing, you can have a conversation in the interview round. Okay, so running codes with material. Okay, running notes and material content. Okay, the PPT slides with detailed material. Okay, so next another thing is every day, each day. Okay, daily recording session, daily classes recording session. And then I will be going to so you will be having an assignment, daily assignment. Okay, daily assignment program. Okay, so what are the courses we are going to cover? So on that particular day you will have the assignment program. Okay, so this is with during the training program. So this is the section 1 with training program. Okay, training program. Next, we have a section 2. So section 2 is categorized into, okay, section 2, which is for marketing. Okay, so once the training is completed, so we will prepare your resume. We will help to prepare your resume. Okay, resume preparation program. Okay, and this will be done by you only. Okay, this process, okay, preparing the resume, we will going to assess you, and you have to help. We will help you to fill your resume by yourself. That way you will be aware of what exactly. So what are the points you need to capture, what are the important content, and what are the interview point of view, or what is the job requirement point of view. Everything will be projected to you across that. Okay, so resume preparation. And then, okay, so how to upload. Okay, uploading into Naukri. Okay, Naukri, like not only the job portals, not only the job portal. Okay, so what we are going to create is, we will be going to create a WhatsApp link. Okay, so that WhatsApp link will help you to set up like what are the content. Example, you have a team of 15 members. Okay, so instead of in these 15 members, so some people get a calls, some people will get a calls. So those calls like will be you will be going to refer to those calls as well. Okay, you will be going to get reference of those programs. So whenever there is a job posting, so we are going to guide you. Okay, so job posting and how to search for the job, everything we are going to properly guide you, right? Next one, so this is the resume preparation and how to attend the interview calls, how to. Okay, yeah, how to take the vendor calls or recruit or marketing calls. Okay, we will have a session on this. We will have a session. Okay, session with all the with for each individual student, for each student we will have a session. Okay, for each student, individual session, okay, on marketing calls means how to let the schedule interview process. Okay, so after this one, next one, pre-screening, screening process. So here, after whatever the content, so we will help you. Okay, first one is interview preparation, technical interview preparation, process with notes. Okay, second one, so interview technical round of interview, first round, first technical round interview. Okay, we will take a mock calls. After this, we will try to have five mock calls. Okay, in this mock call process, we will help you to get perfect with all the interview questions and real time scenario. Okay, real time scenario questions as well, question and answers and the training. Okay, and then we will also help you with the once you got a job, so interview assistance, like how the process and what is the process, end-to-end procedure until you got place, until you got job. So we will help you with all the content from end-to-end procedure. Okay, so what we will be going to do is the training program will be last for 30-45 days actually. Okay, training program will be for 45 days. Okay, but we will try to close it like after 30 days of training program. Okay, we will help you to prepare the resume. Okay, after 30 days you can start marketing. We will help you to start marketing. We will help you to start marketing. Okay, so during this process, what happens is until your training is completed, so you will be aware of getting 2 3 interview calls, and then you will be getting a familiar with the interview calls. Once your training program is completed, you will be in a position to take the interview calls. Okay, those things we are going to assist you, right? So this is what the initial process of the procedure what we are going to follow. Okay, so during this session program, I and our team will be there. Okay, we are a team of four people. So everyone will be added to a WhatsApp group. Once you are in a training program, you will be given a group created with a training sales program. So when any questions or any concern or any access issues or any assignment issues which you were not able to complete, or you have some issue with roadblock, you got some issue, you are unable to go further, so we will be going to assess you and we will going to guide you. Okay, and we have an office and you can come and visit to office whenever you want. Okay, and so we will be available from Monday to Friday morning 9 to evening 7 to 8 o'clock. Okay, you can ping us. I will be available 24 by 7 most of the time. Sometimes if I miss, I will try to communicate in next couple of hours. Okay, so this is the process what we follow. And coming to the job market, okay, the main thing here what we are trying to do is we are going to search for the job market. Okay, so right now what we are talking about is, so when we go for the reporting tool, okay, this is nothing but a data analytics program. Okay, the position which we can apply is data analytics or data engineering. Okay, data engineer. So when you go and search in the Google, okay, for the if I'm looking for the job position, right? So when you go and search for the job position, data engineer jobs in Hyderabad. Okay, so when you go and search for the job position, if you can see here total number of jobs Hyderabad in the Naukri portal. Okay, so there are more than 3,000, like it's keep on going on. So data engineering position. Okay, so people, so we will be going to guide you each and everything, how to apply, what type of position we can apply, and what is the technology skills you require. Senior product data engineering, senior data engineering. So the salary range will be the salary range here. So it depends on the number of year. Example, I have around 4 years of experience, for example. Okay, so all the time whenever we are dealing with the data engineering, so to be frank, 4 into 3 lakhs. Okay, this is the basic standard one. But if you have very good skills, so that will be equal to your 12 lakhs of LPA, 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, if you're having 5 years of experience, 5 years, so then that should be equal to 5 into 3 lakhs. Okay, so that should be 15 lakhs, right? So this is a normal basic standard way. But if you have a very good skill set and if you're having a demand, so even though 5 lakhs people, 5 lakhs years, 5 years of experience can capture to 25 lakhs LPA. Okay, so our platform, whenever we are going to start, I will be going to give a confirmation that 5 set from 10 LPA to 30 LPA, I can give you the assurance. In this package, you will be able to get the bit. Depends on the number of years of experience. Okay, so when we are learning here on reporting structure only, okay, reporting structure, SQL plus reporting. So this is nothing but a reporting tool. Okay, so have same way when we have a concept called Power BI Tableau, right? So here what happen is Power BI is a Microsoft company product reporting tool solution. So different companies reporting tool. Okay. See, Microsoft Power BI is Microsoft product, right? So Tableau is Salesforce company product, right? So this OBI or OAC is a Oracle company product. Oracle company product. Okay, so right now if you call as a data analytics or reporting developer. Okay, so when we have a proficiency with the SQL and the Oracle reporting tool, then we can call as a data analyst or reporting developer or BI developer. Okay, so but here when we are trying to get trained with all these technologies together, ODI, Okay, so then we will call as a data engineering profile, okay. So here the learning content, everything will be very, very easily, and we are going to provide each and every material content also. If you go through, if you can see my screen, okay, each concept material will, detailed material we will be going to provide with the chapter wise. Okay, so this is the Oracle BI reporting tool. So with respect to the each concept, what is the chapter 1, chapter 2, okay, chapter wise, each chapter with detailed explanation, how we can create the report, how we can develop the report, what is the real time scenarios, everything we are going to provide you in a very, very detailed information structure. Okay, so this is how the process. So I will be going to provide you some basic information on the introduction to the demo part to understand what we are basically learning. Okay, what are the basic things we are going to learn, right? So example, before go ahead, anyone has any question, please ask me. Everyone are able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes, it's clear, Manish.
Okay, so please be, I would like to have a, you know, back and forth introduction, like two way of communication would be good. Okay, so
Yeah, sure.
okay, that will be it. Yeah. So let me second. Okay. So if you let me So here basically what we are trying to do, what we are trying to do, what is the purpose of creating this report, or what is the help of using this content, right? So that we are going to understand where basically what is this reporting tool, what is this content, what we are going to do, everything we are going to learn this in this section, okay? So here basically everything, whatever when we are talking about the database, okay? So basically yeah, let me go and show you one query. So what are the skills required? So okay, so what are the skills required for here to capture this job position is nothing but we are going to have basically the SQL knowledge. Okay, so SQL knowledge. Right. What are the skills we required for this technology? So we are going to capture mainly with the SQL. Okay, SQL knowledge. So basically, once first is the SQL database, SQL knowledge we are going to capture, and then the data warehousing we are going to explain you each and everything concept with the running notes material, and I will be going to have a 5 mock calls interview session. Okay, so during this mock call interview session, each round. So when you in the first round you might perform only 10%. Okay, 90% you will fail because of the first, you are in learning stage. In the second round will make you to get perfect with around like plus 30%. So you might giving a best of 40% result, so 60% you are failing. So in the third round will make you to improve more, right? So next time you will get to 70% success. Okay, 30% you are failing in the third, and fourth we'll try to make it to 80 to 90%. We'll try to push you recording session with your interview and where you're lacking, and everything will try to make you in a progressive way. So in the when with completing of 5 interview mock calls with your session, so each mock call will have around 1 hour of time session. Okay, each concept will be covered. So in that way you will be get a perfect way of cracking the interview. You can go for directly face to face interview procedure. Okay, so now let understand what is the purpose of doing this, or we what this tool or what is the software what we are trying to learn, and what is the purpose of doing this one. Okay, for an example, for an example, so we have something called as a, the client wants to have some kind of a reporting structure. Okay, so client has some reports, so those reports are developed in some reporting tool. Okay, this is a reporting tool which we are going to learn basically. Okay, so before proceeding the reporting tool, so we have lot of content will be there. So for example, so if you see here, so these are some of the dashboards. Okay, so the client is going to see these kind of a dashboards. Okay, how much the revenue happened, how much the data happened. So based on this kind of like reporting structure which we are going to develop. So but when we coming to the Power BI or other application tool, so Oracle is one of the most famous data warehouse, very strong data warehouse. Okay, so currently in the market, Oracle has tied up, Oracle company, okay, Oracle Corporation company, okay, is tied up with a company, Oracle plus AWS. Okay, AWS. So whenever we have AWS, so now the data from the AWS storage system will be going to store into the Oracle. So what happened, the reporting or data warehouse, when we are trying to use one product, so all the Oracle content with Oracle merge with AWS. So it is collaborated with AWS now. And then Oracle also collaborated with Meta. Oracle companies also collaborated with Meta. Meta is nothing but Facebook. Okay, Facebook. And Oracle is also collaborated with GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform. Google company database, they want to store all the Google, because Oracle database is very strong database. It's been there since more than 40 years. Okay, all the US government projects, their databases are Oracle database, most of the databases. Okay, so due to that, you will have a lot of opportunity when going forward. There will be a huge demand with respect to the Oracle, huge demand with respect to the Oracle platform. Okay, so now what exactly we are trying to do? For example, so I'm going for a State Bank of India. So the business requirement, I'm going to give you a simple business requirement. The requirement, what the requirement is all about is, so there is a State Bank of India bank. Okay, so the director in India level, the complete managing the State Bank of India, the head of the State Bank of India. So he wants to know with respect to or the Telangana region or Andhra Pradesh or state wise. So which the bank, department wants to know which ATM machine is performing more and which ATM machine is performing less. Okay, means the more number of transaction happening in which ATM machine with respect to the particular state wise. He wants to know Telangana state. Okay, in the Telangana state, which location ATM machine is performing more, like more number of State Bank of customers are there. For example, Amirpet or Kukatpalli, okay, or LB Nagar. So which location they wants to know a detailed information. Okay, so for that the SBI, because the reason is if when there is a SBI customers are more, they want to install more ATM machine to improve the services more. Okay, when there is very less number of customers, they want to understand why there is a less customers, which bank is dominating that particular location, how I can improve my business into that location, or I can reduce the ATM number of machine ATM there and put another ATM machine under some particular location where my business is growing more, so that I can get more number of customers. Okay, so due to that, for example, there, so what we are going to do is when we are able to see this content, okay, here. So data warehousing architecture. This is the data warehousing architecture irrespective of any technology. This might be any technology. If you go for IBM company, International Business Machine Company, the reporting tools are called Cognos. Okay, the ETL tools are called data stage. Like that for Oracle, we are calling as a Oracle reporting solution, and for the data integration, we are calling ODI. If you go for Microsoft, the reporting tool we call as a Power BI. Okay, and the data integration we call as a ADF, Azure Data Factory. Okay, so similarly for the AWS doesn't have the reporting structure, but if you go for the ETL, they have S3 Lambda function, Blue Job, Step function. There are like S3 buckets, all the functions are there. So similarly, this particular content is irrespective of technology. Okay. So basically what exactly we are trying to do here, so in this world we will have two types of application services, one is called as a CRM, customer relationship management. Another one is called ERP, enterprise resource planning. Okay. So CRM application, one of the famous CRM applications in the market, Salesforce CRM. Okay, Siebel CRM. So JD Edwards CRM. Okay, so these are some of the famous applications in the market. When you go for ERP, Oracle EBS, Oracle ERP. Okay, HR, PeopleSoft application, right? So now what happened? PeopleSoft application is getting decommissioned. Means it is going to the out of the market, and then all the project with respect to PeopleSoft will going to merge into Oracle company. Okay, HR module, sales module. So when example what I am doing is, I am a customer, I want to buy a Honda Activa bike. So what I am trying to do is, I will be going to go to Honda Activa showroom and try to pay some money and try to book a bike. Okay, so before booking a bike, what they are going to do, they are going to enter into some computer K sheet. Okay, my name, my license number, okay, my Aadhaar card, and how much the amount I'm going to pay. All the information is going to enter into some computer, right, system. So that system, that information is going to store, into one database, right? That database is called OLTP, online transactional processing. Immediate example, I have a SBI ATM card. I am going to withdraw some 1,000 rupees from my account, right? Once I go to the ATM and withdraw 1,000 rupees of amount, immediately what happened? We will be able to get one receipt which gives information on customer name, transaction ID, account number, ATM transaction ID, some numbers with date. But we think that okay, we are able to receive that amount, my amount is deducted. That's what we know. But what back end what happened? Immediately, whatever when you try to withdraw that money, that amount immediately go and store into one information. That information going to store into the database. The database is called OLTP, online transactional processing. Okay, so that going to store into this database, right? So when it is, but what happened here? So all the data, so different SBI, in the SBI ATM machine, Axis Bank customers will come. So some people will deposit, some people will withdraw, some people will transfer, some people will change the password, some HDFC Bank will try to withdraw from SBI Bank ATM. So different type of customers, different type of information. Okay, all the things can be stored into one database, storing into one database. Okay, this is the database. Same thing here. So Honda Activa, what they are trying to do, so we have saw a lot of showrooms, Talwar, Hyundai. Okay, different types of Honda, showrooms are there, but all are purchasing the product from Honda company, Honda bike. So Honda bike, they want to know how much we are selling, which state, Telangana state, how many bikes, Hyderabad, how many bikes, Chennai, how many, okay, Kolkata, how many bikes we sold. So we want to know proper strategy, which version of bikes are getting sell, so that we can manufacture more number of bikes. So is the bikes are selling in India or Pakistan or Japan, which location the bikes are selling more. We want to do some proper analytics function, analytics knowledge. Okay, similarly, so this is with respect to any customer you're trying to do with any product, that is a CRM. So it's the same thing if you're trying to go for ERP. Okay, ERP means enterprise resource planning. Any company, for example, I'm working in Infosys. Okay, so Infosys company, the company has around 2 lakhs of employees. So Infosys has to pay each employee their salaries. Okay, each employee their salary. Infosys office rent, okay, the space, current bill, the utilities, okay, the procurement and spend, like what are the purchases they're trying to do, how many projects they're coming, how many projects in the company, and how much the revenue company is making, and how much the amount they are going to pay to the employees. So all the information, right? They need to have proper information. All the information is going to store into one database, right? So this database is what happened. All the information is going to store into this database. This database, what exactly happened is lot of huge information. It will be stored in unstructured format. Unstructured, okay? The unstructured format. So it will be difficult for us to understand the data, right? Then what we are going to do is we have some kind of ETL methodology. Okay, ETL methodology, ETL tools are very, very famous in the market. So ETL tools, using this software, we will try to convert that unstructured data into proper structured data and store into one database. Okay, that database, this database is called as a analytical database. Analytical database or data warehouse, target database, right? After the target database we are able to store, then we are going to develop a report on top of the structure. So our job will be from structure to here. This is what we are going to learn end to end. Okay, so here what exactly happened, you will be eligible, we will be, after completing the training program, we will be eligible to apply 3 to 4 different types of jobs. Okay, one is a reporting developer, front end. One is complete BA data analytics position. Okay. One is a data modeler position. One is a ETL developer position. Complete from ETL to here is data engineering. Okay. So we will be able to apply the 4 different types of job positions we will be able to learn in this training session. Okay. And for each training, this is not a rocket science. There is no much coding is involved. Okay. There is no much complex coding is involved. The only thing you have to learn is very, very important mandatory is SQL. So I will be going to assess with SQL with very, very detailed level of knowledge. Okay, spoon feeding. I will be going to provide very, very detailed level of knowledge with spoon feeding. Okay, so using this, how each step. So and everyday assignments will be going to do that. If you practice day by day, okay, everything will fall in place. So how the software company, if you go for anything, right? So this how the project. So when you have a business, you will be giving some requirement. That requirement will be available in some website. Okay, these are the tickets, ServiceNow, Jira, some websites. From there, it is going to store into the database. Okay, from here, you are going to store into the ETL, extract, ETL. Okay, and then storing into the target database. From here you are going to take the reporting solution and do the development like OBI. BO is SAP BO. Cognos is IBM. Okay, like Power BI is Microsoft. Okay, like that we have different tools reporting in the market. And trust me, once you learn very perfectly with the Oracle BI, you can learn another tool within 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so this is the job position what we are going to apply. Okay, so we are going to help you with very, very detailed level of knowledge how, okay, how the reporting structure, what are the RPD. So we are going to help you to learn the ETL tool, which is a Oracle data integration, and the analytics tool front end, how to develop the reports, dashboards and everything, each level. Okay, step by step. And the training module. Okay, the course content. So when you click on this one, so when course content module, all the course content module, we are going to provide very detailed information. Okay, so the training program, coming to the training program. Okay, the training program, training duration time. The training duration time, it will be 45 days, but we will try to start complete by mostly by 30. After 30 days we will try to prepare your resume. Okay, prepare your resume. And okay, we'll prepare your resume, and then on side by side you will be going to have the training sessions, and at the same time you will be going to you will be going to start marketing. So that way you will be kind of more getting a more hands-on with respect to the resume preparation, marketing, as well as a job placement program. And then so mostly within 2 months, if the time everything is fall in place, 2 months or max 3 months. Okay, 3 months we will be able to get you a job. Okay, but getting a job is completely based on your hard work, dedication, and your presence of mind and aggressiveness. So when you are more aggressive, you have to follow up with us. We will try to help you out. Okay, but you have to follow up with us. Then we will be able to help you to get a job as soon as possible. Okay. So this is the course content and all the materials. So we are going to provide the software, okay, all the software setups, database, reporting tool solution, material, all the material content, plus the running notes. Okay, I'm going to provide you all the running notes. For example, if you can see here, so this is the running notes. We are going to help you out. Okay, if you see here, like how the running notes or chapter wise, so how the what are the interview question, how they're going to ask you the interview question. Okay, so you can explain this content like basically. So we are going to provide the running notes for each chapter wise concept. These concepts will help you to crack for 60 to 70% of the interview. This will help you out. Okay, 60 to 70% of the interview by using this course, running notes, it will be going to help you 60 to 70% to crack the interviews. Okay, so those all the content we are going to provide you, each content, each step by step procedure. Okay, so this is the complete level of overall demo session. So we'll have another okay, so we are going to plan to start mostly by next 1 or 2 days. So once I get a confirmation from everyone, we are going to start the session. Okay, so now the question and answers content